Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Note 8P, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode on this device. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel, expand it, and look for the battery saver, which for me is right on the second page. From here, simply tap on it, select turn on, and it's now enabled. Now in this mode, you'll probably experience things like notifications not appearing as they normally would. Anything that would require internet connection might not be delivered when the device is in a sleep mode. That's because during the power saving mode, the device disconnects from Wi-Fi and mobile data when it's not being used to preserve battery. So like I said, you won't be getting any kind of notifications during this time. But when you wake it up again, it automatically reconnects and syncs up everything that it was missing. So that is how you would turn it on, and to get rid of it, simply tap on the toggle once more and everything will go back to normal. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.